In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon.in with your personal account. We'll walk through the simple process of going from browsing to making a purchase, ensuring you have a smooth shopping experience. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Amazon.in in your preferred web browser. Once the site loads, you'll want to log in using your personal Amazon account. Remember to double check that you're not using an Amazon business account for this process. Also, it's important to note that you won't need a GST number for normal shopping. This makes the process less complex and allows you to dive right into finding what you need. Now that you're logged in, it's time for my favorite part, shopping. Browse the numerous products available on Amazon. Whether you're searching for electronics, books, or even a unique gift, there's a vast selection to choose from. Once you've found an item you want to purchase, consider reading a few customer reviews to ensure it meets your expectations. When you're ready, you have two options. You can either click Add to Cart if you wish to continue shopping and add more items, or if you're eager to get your hands on the item quickly, simply click Buy Now to proceed immediately. After you've added everything you need to your cart, it's time to proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to enter the shipping address where you'd like your order to be delivered. Ensure that this address is correct to avoid any delivery mishaps. Next, you'll choose your payment method. Amazon offers several convenient options including UPI, debit or credit card, net banking, and even cash on delivery. Select the method that works best for you and offers the most convenience. With your shipping information and payment method set, you are almost at the finish line. Before you place the order, it's wise to review your order summary. You want to ensure that the items in your cart are correct, that the delivery address is precise, and that the payment method is what you intended to use. Reviewing your order thoroughly now can save time and hassle later on. Once you feel confident that everything is in order, all that remains is to click on the Place Order button. This final step confirms your purchase and you'll soon receive a confirmation email with all the details of your order. Congratulations, you've successfully placed an order using Amazon.in with your personal account. I hope this guide helps you navigate Amazon's platform with ease. Enjoy your shopping and don't hesitate to explore the various features and products Amazon has to offer. Thank you for joining me today and happy shopping.